For a global leader in the concrete pump industry, we've customized a robotic welding line. This is the world's first highly automated intelligent welding line for concrete pump truck turntables. Powered by 13 robots and 2 RGV shuttles for seamless and intelligent welding operations. The system leverages digital twin technology for full line planning and validation. Guided by the central scheduling system, the RGV shuttles precisely deliver 54 types of parts to the correct station, enabling flexible production across 100 for welding processes. Each station is equipped with hydraulic clamping fixtures under centralized control, enabling fully automated loading. Laser sensors locate weld seams automatically, while arc tracking ensures real-time path correction. The welding process primarily employs the 1F flat position, fillets in flat position, technique to ensure optimal weld quality. For complex parts, weld coverage reaches 95%, among the best in the industry. Upon completion, parts are automatically unloaded and transported by RGV to the next station, closing the automation loop. Delivered in 2022, the system has been running reliably ever since, with excellent customer feedback.